Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you a recent activity we did in the snow that I'm sure you'll love. And before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button for more homeschooling content like this, and the like button lets me know that you enjoy this type of video so I know what kind of videos to make for you in the future. Let's get started. First, here are the art supplies that we used. I'll link them all down below. However, you can use whatever you have on hand. Even if it fails, that's okay. It's all about the learning process. Now we took these cups filled with water and filled them with the watercolor dye. Use plenty of this dye, guys. You need a lot in order for it to show up in the snow. Also, feel free to mix colors to see what you get. That's another fun activity to add into this. But once we were done with that, we took it out into the snow using little water droppers. We just used those to create spray art in the snow, and they had a ton of fun doing this, you guys. Now, for those of you that are living somewhere where the temperature is just too cold to be outside, don't worry. I have a backup solution. It was too cold for us as well, so you'll see what I did to bring this activity inside at the end of the video.
TV or phone? Is it wrong for me to want you for my own? This Christmas, let the others miss us. Let's go get snowed in. Let's go get snowed in.
Like I said, use whatever supplies you have and just give it a go and see if it works. So we also took those little watercolor trays you can get anywhere, and we attempted to brush the snow with it. Now it did work. I will say the paint crystallized very easily, but they still had plenty of fun doing it while it lasted. Now, for those of you with the dangerously low temperatures outside, making it so that you cannot play outside, here is the solution. Just find random trays you can use as a sensory bin, go outside, scoop up the snow, and bring it in. Just keep in mind, depending on the temperature in your home, this can melt quite fast, but you just create the same activity in a space where you don't mind having the watercolors and let them have fun. Also, once they were done, I took the trays and stored them back outside in the snow. That way I could just pull them in when they're ready to do this activity again. Thanks so much for watching. If you try this out, let me know how it goes in the comments below. And brand new people, make sure you subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have fun homeschooling. Bye.
Somewhere